Today we are testing out the Tesla paint kit on my car. As you guys know from my previous videos, I got a lot of chips, I got a lot of paint missing, and we're gonna test out the Tesla paint kit and see how it works. So you obviously order it online, and you gotta paint match the paint of your car, which I'll show you where that is. The video from Tesla also shows you where it's at, but it's just gonna be right here, right there. That's the paint match right there. I'll go ahead and show you guys my paint chips. That is huge. I just got this one. I got another one down here, and then there is another one right in here. I should have wrapped this car the minute I had the chance. I regret that I didn't, but if you are getting a Tesla, wrap it immediately. Talking about, don't even take it home. Get it from the dealer and go straight to the wrap shop and just wrap it. All right, so the package is kind of nice, right? It has my paint match right here. All right, let's open it up. Okay, it's nice. Comes with all the stuff that you need. This is a nice microfiber towel, and it comes with gloves. Ooh, so we could really get dirty. I just want to say the packaging is fire. Look at this. It comes out. Jesus, what did you even think of this? This is fire. Well, obviously, you make sure you shake the bottles really, really well. Can't even get this out of here. Let me put my gloves on so I look professional. Bro, they only give you one glove. Okay, so they want us to clean this first. This thing is so dirty. All right, so we got our little tool here. We got our paint, and it wants us to put it next to this. I think I'm gonna put it on top and just smear it down. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my God. I don't know how well this is going to work. Am I tripping? Did I do something wrong? Hold on, let me shake it some more. We might be out of luck. The problem is that I think the chip is way too big, because there's no way this is the wrong paint. I don't think they would send me the wrong paint. Look, it's not even working. Because on the video, obviously, the chip that they had was a lot smaller. Let's see if I can just put it on top. See what happens. It's not working how we want it, so we might as well just improvise. Let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little worried about doing it here because it's so high. The one in the front was literally like at the bottom of my bumper, so not really visible. I'm pretty sure this will be visible if everyone sees that. Maybe we can do this one. This one up here looks smaller. There we go. Yeah, maybe we can do this one. All right, let's give it a shot. Hopefully this one comes out way better. Oh my God, I don't think it looks good. I just think the black is too strong, obviously. I feel like if my car was a different color, I feel like if the car was maybe like space gray or something, it would look better. It actually doesn't look too bad. Again, that one is smaller than the one down in my front bumper. So we're gonna let that sit for 5 minutes. I think we got another one here. See how it looks on camera. If you walk up to my car, you could easily be able to tell that there's something there covering it, especially this one up here, but it's better than, I guess, the black showing. So we got this small one here. Let's see how this one will work out. I'll put it right on top of it. Not even gonna smear it, I'm just gonna put it right on top of it. Yeah, I think the main problem is because my car is white. If you got a white Tesla and you got some chips like this, you might be cooked, I'm gonna be honest. So we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, and I'll bring you guys around the car to see how it looks when it's all done. Yeah, so I will say I definitely regret not getting this car wrapped the minute I got it. I used to see all of them wrapped on the highway, and I would always wonder why people with Teslas would wrap their cars, but then I started hearing about the paint problems and how, you know, soft the paint is and how easy it is for it to get chipped and stuff. Didn't really know until I got one and I could see all of them for myself. Yeah, if you have used this paint kit and you have a different color car, let me know how it worked for you. I really want to see if it made a big difference with my car being white than, you know, the space gray that was in the Tesla video. So yeah, I think we're good to clean the solution, or use the solution to clean the excess paint now, and we'll see how it is when it's done. So on the video, it did say that we could repeat this method, the paint dry method, to see if you know, we can get better results. So I'll probably give that a shot. So let's go ahead and clean this up. That's not coming off my car. I don't know if you guys can see, there's like excess paint around here, which is not really coming off with the solution. And it's coming off a little bit. So this is the finishing product. Let's see, that's one. That's two. I ended up doing this bigger one because I was like, why not? Looks horrible, but. And that's three. I really believe that if my dings or chips were smaller, it would have looked a lot better, or easier to fix, I would say. But and I also believe that if my car was a different color, like if it was a darker color, it would have been better. Obviously, white is so visible. You see everything with white. But if you guys have used this on your car, let me know what you guys think. Let me know how it worked out for you guys. I now need to find out what I can do to get this repaired fully, because I don't want these paint chips on my car. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will catch you guys on the next video.